The first step is to open the website that you want to link to the QR code. We will use VHS Learning Commons, Home as the example. Right-click with your mouse and copy the website address. Open QR Code Monkey and scroll down and with your mouse, select text in your URL and delete it. Paste the URL address of the website into the area. Scroll down and click Create QR Code. After it has created the QR code link to download PNG. Open docs.google and scroll up and click Insert. With your mouse, hover Image. Click Image. Click Upload from Computer. You can now resize the QR code to whatever size you would like. That's it. You're done.